Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a magic circle. Let's begin by forming a loop with your yarn, ensuring the tail end is accessible. Next, insert your crochet hook into the center of this loop. Yarn over your hook and gently pull up a loop through the circle. To secure this initial step, simply chain one stitch. This creates the foundation for your magic circle, ready for your first set of stitches. Now that your foundation is set, it's time to add your stitches. Carefully work your chosen number of stitches directly into the magic circle. For example, you might make 6 single crochet stitches or 12 double crochet stitches. Make sure all these stitches are contained within the loop you created. Maintaining consistent tension throughout this process is key to achieving a neat and even fabric. Inside, the Escalade impresses with a massive 38-inch curved OLED display and an available 36-speaker AKG audio system, creating an immersive experience. It comfortably seats up to 8, with features like massaging front seats and a console refrigerator. The Vellfire prioritizes passenger comfort with its luxurious captain seats, a 14-inch rear entertainment screen, and dual sunroofs, offering a serene and feature-rich environment for 7 occupants. To finalize your magic circle, join the round by making a slip stitch into the very first stitch you made. This connects the circle and prepares it for the next round. Then, carefully weave in the remaining yarn tail to secure the circle permanently, preventing it from unraveling. You can now confidently continue with your crochet pattern, knowing you have a beautifully seamless and tight center for your project, perfect for hats or amigurumi.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.